It's soup season. Let's stir up a delicious, hearty potato and vegetable dish with frankfurters. We will need chopped onions and carrots and a bit of Scotch bonnet for a kick of flavor and spice. Diced potatoes peeled and cut into small cubes. Some frankfurters, a little salt, crushed black pepper, and garlic granules. Some butter for that rich, smooth base. Finally, corn flour or cornstarch. Place a clean pot on your stove and heat it up over medium heat. Once it's warm, add a generous spoon of butter. As the butter melts, it will start to foam slightly. That's when you add your chopped onions and the Scotch bonnet peppers. Stir gently and let them saute until the onions turn translucent and fragrant. You'll start to notice that beautiful aroma filling your kitchen. Buttery, slightly spicy, and just irresistible. Now it's time to build flavor. Add your diced potatoes straight into the pot. Then add in your Knorr stock pot. A sprinkle of black pepper. Followed by a pinch of salt. And some garlic granules. Next, pour in your hot water, just enough to cover the potatoes. Give it all a good stir, so the potatoes are coated with that buttery onion mixture. Stir again. Then cover the pot and let it cook. We'll leave this to simmer for a few minutes until the potatoes soften nicely. While it's cooking, the potatoes will start soaking up all that beautiful flavor from the stock and spices, creating the perfect base for our dish. Once your potatoes are tender, you can test them by piercing one with a fork. It's time to lower the heat and add your frankfurters. Then, add your vegetables. You can use any combo you like: carrots for sweetness, peas for color, sweet corn for texture, or just go with what's in season. Cover the pot again and let everything cook together for about 5 to 7 minutes, until the veggies are tender, but still bright and full of life. During this time, your kitchen will smell absolutely amazing. The butter, the stock, and the smoky aroma of the frankfurters blending beautifully with the vegetables. Now, in a small bowl, mix corn flour with a little water to create a smooth slurry. This will help thicken the sauce and make it rich and velvety. Pour that mixture into your pot while stirring continuously. You'll notice the sauce begin to thicken gently. coating the potatoes and vegetables perfectly. Cover the pot again and let it simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes on low heat. After a few minutes, lift the lid and give it a good stir. Taste and adjust your seasoning if needed, maybe a touch of more salt or black pepper, depending on your preference. The sauce should now be thick, glossy, and filled with delicious chunks of potato, veggies, and frankfurters. And that's it. Your creamy, comforting potato and vegetable dish is ready to serve. Scoop it into bowls, sprinkle with some fresh herbs if you like, and serve hot. Every spoonful is comfort, color, and love, all in one pot. Enjoy this beautiful dish. And don't forget to like and subscribe to EsteeLicious for more updates.